When I first took the oath of office, when I was elected to Congress, this was April 21st, 1998, it was quite a magnificent, awesome moment for me. My family was there with me, my sons. I had no grandchildren then. My mother, my dad, who has since passed, my sisters. It was a family affair, and I was very proud of the fact that they were there with me, and that gave me, which always they give me, is the inspiration to do what I need to do. But I was elected in a special election, and so I had the entire floor to myself that day. And I'll never forget meeting with then, I believe it was the Dem Caucus chair, who talked to me early on about campaign finance reform. And there's a procedure on the floor called a discharge petition, where if you get to 218, you can discharge a petition from the floor, and then it can come to the floor for debate. Well, I'm a supporter of public financing of campaign. We've got to get money out of politics. And so this was very appealing to me, even though it didn't go far enough, but at least it was one step in the right direction. And so he suggested to me that I sign that day and be the 18th person to get it off the floor. So I did. So I gave my speech on the floor, and at the end of my speech, and again, this was such a moment for me because I'm the only one there. My first day of Congress, everybody's sitting there, and here I am, whereas generally now we're sworn in with everyone. But because it was a special election, it was me. And so at the end of my speech, I said something about campaign finance reform, and I said, because of this, I am going to be the 218th person, and I'm going to sign the discharge petition. I turned around and I signed it, and everybody started clapping. I didn't even realize this was such a big deal. I said, well, it makes sense to me. But that's how it started. And I was thinking of Shirley Chisholm that day, and Ron was sitting there watching me, and he was right on the front row, and I was thinking, I hope Shirley, knows that I'm going to try to carry this mantle and challenge the status quo and not be one who compromises and sells out and forgets the fact that I've got to change the name of the game for people who have been shut out historically in this process. And so it was quite an exciting moment.